Might be worth just having it checked out on your house to make sure you're not spending money on gas that's being leaked out. I've got a couple of them here that the homeowners weren't even aware of. They've been here for years. Now this is on the gas company side. That's their valve. So they're not paying for that gas that's being wasted. And here's a gas meter, but after that there's another one right here. And then there's another one right here on this old valve. That's outdated. And then we have one off the furnace at this valve.